Nature. The force which maintains the entire universe is both mysteriously invisible and vibrantly visible. Remaining physically unseen, nature exhibits glorious control in its precisely perfect systems and creations, all working in their own spheres, yet all working in synergy. Nature magnificently maintains this intricate mechanism under one overarching principle, the principle of mutual respect and reciprocation. The splendid success of OMV is testimony of the significance of this principle. OMV, the benchmark beyond business. Business growth of OMV has been spectacular. From a state-owned company of Austria in 1956 to one of the most successful worldwide industrial corporations today. OMV, headquartered in Vienna, is Austria's largest listed industrial company. The company was founded in Austria in 1956 and is now active in around 30 countries worldwide. The international and integrated oil and gas company, with around 27,000 employees, focuses on profitable growth in its three business areas of exploration and production, gas and power, and refining and marketing, including petrochemicals. OMV runs a network of approximately 4,350 filling stations under the brand names OMV, Avanti, Petrom, and Petrol Offici, and operates 4 refineries. This all-embracing brilliant performance of OMV rendered an enviable growth and expansion, innovating novel business concepts and exploring new business territories. OMV Pakistan is a glowing demonstration of OMV's sustainable and responsible growth. OMV is amongst the largest international natural gas producers in Pakistan in terms of operated volume. As the operator of the Sawan, Niano, Latif, Tajal, Rehmat, Saqib and Meher gas fields, as well as Kadanwari processing facilities, OMV delivers around 75,000 barrels of oil equivalent per day of operated production to the local market, and hence provides around 10% of Pakistan's total gas supply. Additionally, OMV produces 3,000 barrels per day of condensate. Exploring development potential, acting as pioneers and new ideas, and combining economic success with the best energy solutions. OMV employees are part of a corporate culture that sets OMV apart. High performance and personal commitment are the forces for professional excellence, and the aim to foster professional development for long-term profitability are OMV's values. The core of OMV's relationships with all stakeholders, customers, employees, and society in general is fairness, responsibility, and respect. These are the values and principles which are driving forces for OMV's sustainable growth. At the same time, OMV acknowledges its social and economic responsibility through its Corporate Social Responsibility Program, which follows the concept of resourcefulness.
Resourcefulness caters for the welfare, research, access to amenities, and institutionalization aspects of CSR in a systematic and holistic manner. With this pragmatic shift, CSR concept has evolved to a level where OMV aims to create the best value and assure sustainability for the community and its stakeholders. Similarly, stakeholders consultation and community engagement also figure out as a vital component to raise awareness and sustain efforts of CSR. Through this process, CSR program evolved to resourcefulness to promote with its intervention the social and economic development of the areas.
OMV's areas of operations, the Sindh province, is a region of contrasts and is characterized as the province of ethnic diversity. With its bustling metropolis of over 13 million people, Karachi, which hosts the main seaport of the country and is the commercial hub of Pakistan. On the other hand, the districts of Sindh, especially the rural areas, which fall in general far below the national averages. Poverty levels are high and show sharp rural, urban and gender differences.
Around 3/4 of our expenditures goes into the Skill to Succeed project. Besides education, we focus on local content development, where we want to give locals from the area a chance to work for OMV and also to establish their own businesses. We try to find creative solutions which are win-win both for the communities and for OMV.
OMV is proud to implement its concept of resourcefulness in the area titled Skills to Succeed in the sphere of human resource development. OMV fosters the skills people require to be successful. OMV's corporate social responsibility major focus is on Rising Through Education program, which promotes education from primary grades to professional degree. Under this initiative, OMV has been supporting more than 70 government primary schools with the cooperation of local populace, education department, respective district administrations, and NGOs. In each academic year, more than 4,000 children residing in the operational areas receive formal education as a result of this project. Over the years, girls' enrollment has increased significantly in OMV supported schools by active engagement of local populace. In remote areas, provision of quality teaching staff is a major challenge. It is difficult to attract qualified teachers from towns to remote and far-flung areas. To overcome this challenge, OMV, in partnership with the local education department and DevCon, a local NGO, established a training and resource center in Chundko, the Lukanara of Khairpur district, where teaching skills of local teachers are improved through regular trainings. More than 100 teachers are effectively ensuring child-centered learning in these schools. They receive annual in-house training as well as school-based support through the platform of Training and Resource Center. This center also ensures operational as well as academic performances of these schools through qualified professional development trainers and community education promoters. The team of Training and Resource Center maintains an updated data of each supported school through customized database. Scholarship Project is yet another component of Rising Through Education program. It is geared towards reducing dropout rate after completion of primary education.
मुंहिंजो नालो नवाज़ अली आहे। मुंहिंजो जेको पुटु आहे ताजमल नालो आहे। उहो 5 पास हिते कयो अथईं दरगाह न्यामत फ़क़ीरनि जे स्कूल ॻोठ में, जेको बि ओइमी जे तरफ़ां असांखे मिलियो आहे। असां ग़रीब माण्हू आहियूं, असां वटि वधि में वधि रिढ ॿकरी आहे, सो बि 20-30, उन ते छा गुज़ारो कयूं, छा वरी ॿार पढ़ायूं। उनजा बि महिरबानी थी आहे, गैस कंपनी जेको गैस निकितो आहे उन जी महिरबानी थी आहे, असांजा ॿार पढ़ंदा माशाअल्लाह।
Under this initiative, more than 50 children from the desert of Miano are studying at Army Public School and College, Bano Akil, with boarding and lodging facilities. Currently, the students are enrolled from grade 6 to 9, and first sponsored batch shall complete their higher secondary school certificate in year 2017. Under the umbrella of Rising Through Education program, OMV has also extended support to other organizations for replication of their sustainable education models in the area. The Citizens Foundation, in partnership with OMV, has established one dual-unit primary school and one dual-unit secondary school in Salipat, Sukkot, as a result of the impact the TCF schools have on the local communities. Dual-unit primary and secondary schools in Kator and dual-unit primary school in Sikandrabad are also in establishment phase. This project's substantial funding is pooled in from Austrian Development Corporation, an international donor agency, along with OMV and its joint venture partners. In totality, more than 2,000 children will be benefiting from these TCF schools. Besides that, more than 500 children are already benefiting from Pakistan Rangers Public School and College, Chundko, where OMV has supported in school infrastructural development.
Our relationship with OMV started a few years back when OMV came to us and they wanted to build a school in the area in which OMV is operating. And together we built first a primary school and then a secondary school in that area. We have hundreds of students now studying in the schools that OMV has established, and it is benefiting the children of the area. I've been to these schools myself, and I've seen the change that is coming about in the students, the kids who first came to the school and didn't even know how to, sometimes even wash their own face. We've had a very fruitful and positive working relationship up till now, and we're already in discussions with OMV to strengthen our relationship and to strengthen the program itself. So I expect that in coming years, inshallah, we'll be building more schools together and taking this forward.
Besides facilitating educational pursuits of marginalized populace, their economic viability is further improved through skill development. To widen career options for local youth, OMV introduced the Technical and Vocational Training Project. Apart from the advantage of learning skills to succeed through this program, the candidates were provided complete scholarship package at different reputed institutes.
CTTI में बहुत अच्छा था क्योंकि हमें पहले टेक्निकल तालीम की कुछ भी नॉलेज नहीं थी कि टेक्निकल एजुकेशन क्या होती है। जैसे CTTI में इन हुए तो उन्होंने हमें पता चलाया कि क्या होता है और आप किसी भी फैक्ट्री, किसी भी इंडस्ट्री, ऑयल एंड गैस में कैसे काम करते हैं और आप एक अच्छे एम्प्लॉय कैसे बन सकते हैं। इसी तहत फैसले के तहत मैंने एडमिशन लिया था कॉलेज में, उसी तहत मुझे वही जॉब उसी टाइप्स की मिल गई।
Aga Khan University, Applied Technologies Institute NLC, ISRA University, Paramedical and Health Technician School, and IBA Sakkar are a few examples from where sponsored students have completed their degree courses. In the same vein, midwifery course for young women is another milestone contribution of OMV's skill development program. Previously unthinkable, now females from the far-flung villages are getting trained from prestigious universities.
मेरी तालीम मैट्रिक के मेरे पास OMV वालों ने कोऑर्डिनेटर को भेजा, जो मुझे उसने बताया कि एडमिशन हो रही है, कम्युनिटी मिडवाइफ में एडमिशन हो रही हैं आगा खान कराची में। मैंने वहाँ कम्युनिटी मिडवाइफ का 18 मंथ का कोर्स कंप्लीट किया। यहाँ जब आई तो सब लोगों की मेरी ज़रूरत थी और अब मेरे गांव वालों को भी यानी तसल्ली है, कोई ऐसा मसला या प्रॉब्लम नहीं हो रहा है।
With the Rising Through Education program, OMV is progressively contributing towards human capital development in its lease areas.
ही जेको आहे उहे ॿकरियूं तूते वठी दाहूं कूकू कयूं, दाहूं तूते 2-3 माण्हू ॿिया बि बीठा हुआ, उहे हुनखे खणी आया। मूंखे चयो बाबा छा आहे? मुंहिंजो बवाल छा आहे? पोइ हिकु ॿिनि माण्हुनि चयो बाबा हे भला खाई विया आहिनि, इस्पताल पहुचा। असां हिते पहुतासीं इस्पताल में, पोइ असांजो इलाजु बिल्कुलु सही थियो आहे ऐं उन जे लाइ हाणे असां मुतमिल आहियूं।
The outreach of these CSR interventions extend beyond OMV's concessional areas, extending efficient healthcare services even to the surrounding villages and provision of an ambulance service for evacuation of patients from far-flung areas to the nearest medical center. Cognizant of the fact that prevention is better than cure, OMV undertook regular vaccination and awareness programs for local marginalized population. Under this project, more than 34,000 persons have been vaccinated against the hepatitis B virus. Among them were also 11,140 primary school children. OMV also supported local district administrations with logistical support for polio immunization campaigns. 1,000 gallons of water per day shall be available to the community of nearby area. After education, health, and water, OMV considers generating economic viability. Modern farming techniques are introduced to the local farmers by setting up demonstration farms. These farms have helped the local farmers to see, understand, and emulate new techniques in farming and reap economic benefits. OMV is also active in providing necessary support to local governments in conducting treatment and vaccination camps in the area for the livestock. Recently, OMV, in collaboration with District Administration Khairpur, has established a veterinary center located at Ahsanabad. Construction work is completed, and it is anticipated that thousands of livestock will benefit from necessary treatment and vaccination. OMV Pakistan is also helping the local people to support them in income generation by promoting local handicrafts. Artisans are facilitated to ensure that produced items are compatible with the market needs. Exhibitions are held periodically at national and international level to display their crafts, and the proceeds from their exhibitions goes to the local artisans. This not only helps in preserving the indigenous skills of the local people, but also in generating income for the improvement of their lives. Female artisans SARE specially provided vocational skills to economize their family income. Since its presence in the area, OMV has continuously contributed to the infrastructural development and investments. State-of-the-art airstrips in the areas of Savan and Gadanwari are other infrastructural investments of OMV, equipped with cutting-edge equipment for navigational aid and day and night flight operations. The airstrips can accommodate cargo flights and are approved in cases of aircraft emergency operations.
Our areas of operation are remote. When we came into this area, it was all a desert, and we wanted to develop an infrastructure at the remote well site and plant sites. We developed a road network connecting this remote area to the main cities, which are roughly 50 to 70 kilometers away. This in turn created a lot of opportunity for the local people, supporting their travel and access to markets. This infrastructure is now being utilized by the government for further expansion of road networks deeper into the desert and remote areas of this region.
In its concession areas of the districts of Khairpur, Kambar, Shehdat Kot, Sakkar and Ghotki, OMV has developed a road network of around 250 kilometers. The infrastructural investments are crucial for all other interventions, such as market-oriented agriculture and increased options of accessible work opportunities for the local communities. Stakeholder engagement is an essential constituent of OMV's responsible business behavior, which yields immense benefits to OMV Group and its stakeholders. OMV recognizes responsibilities related to numerous stakeholders.
I appreciate OMV that they have taken very good initiatives, and especially they are very helpful during the emergency time. They always help the district administration on their request and provide some sort of relief. And the government is ready to support you, and even we are supporting in every aspect.
Community engagement at OMV is an ongoing process. OMV meets at the grassroots level with community representatives on a regular basis. The interaction with government officials include informal engagements, formal meetings, and capacity building workshops. OMV has been acknowledged as a responsible corporate citizen through numerous awards and nominations in recognition of its sustainability and responsible behavior. As OMV is strengthening its portfolio of exploration and production in Sindh and also new concession areas in Balochistan, OMV considers improving lives of billions of human beings as its biggest award. With resourcefulness, OMV accords high priority to economic development of the communities while proactively engaging them alongside other stakeholders.
In Sindh province, we have been active for more than 20 years. Our resources are now gradually depleting. We are preparing for the day when our resources will end. We are focusing a lot to ensure sustainability of our CSR interventions in the area, so the communities continue to grow and evolve even without OMV's presence in the area in future. As we are entering in Balochistan, we would like to retain our image as a corporate, social, responsible organization. We'll try to replicate what we have successfully implemented over the years in our previous concession areas into the new area as well. We'll definitely go through the baseline studies so as to identify the exact social needs of the new areas. Our main focus, nevertheless, shall remain on Skill to Succeed projects to help the local communities to grow together with us. We want to be remembered as a business entity in the area which also created social profit for the community.
With new concession areas in Balochistan, the future looks bright for the communities. Equipped with skills to succeed through education interventions, local communities in new concession areas will rise. OMV, when business creates social profit.